Christmas tree for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I choose this hole. Okay, I have choose this hole, and I'm making small 2 pieces, just like that. You see? Then I look for this end, and I look same length. Like this, and this is top of your tree. Okay, then I pull it from here and I go again. Now pull this back. Wait, no, not gonna pull, but this back. I pick another hole and I pull here. Then I make over here. Maybe I'm gonna fix later, but I just wanna show you. How your tree will be, see how your tree will be born. You look in another on the middle. You look in another on the middle, and you're doing this. If you pull it back, then you go here. Sometimes I don't even remember pulling back or not pulling back. You just have to look how this works for you, you know. See? And that's how you have 3. You have 3. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. On the top, I put red star later, and this, if I have extra, I pull like this and go back, and you have Christmas tree. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. 1 tree I made with you. Next, I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna count. It's hard to count with that stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3 on one side and 5, 3 on the other side.